Hi guys, how you doing? It's Kevin here. Today what we're going to do is take a look at AdvertSuite, and we're going to be using the upgraded section here of YouTube to sell affiliate products, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that so you can start to generate some income online. How exactly it's done, I'm going to show you how it's done. We're going to be spying on some of the competition and also going to be knowing which ads are successful before we put any money towards any of these ad campaigns. So let's just take a quick look at Clickbank. Clickbank are probably one of the biggest in the industry. They're world renowned. They have digital products. They actually sell vitamins now and supplements as well on their platform. So we're going to dive in there, have a look around, see if we can find a product very quickly, and then I'll bring you through some of the aspects of what I can do and how you can generate some income from it. So let's just take a closer look at when you log in the marketplace, and I've already highlighted this one here, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this here, which is a supplement. Okay, it's a vitamin supplement and it pays out an average of 150.48 X pure, I think they call it. Okay, so it's a vitamin supplement. I'll show you the landing page now in a second. So if you want to come over here, you can simply click promote, and you will be given an ID, a tracking ID, whatever the case may be for it. You simply click here and it gives you out your own affiliate link here. So you come along, you take that, and we can open that in a new browser, and this will bring us directly to the product. Okay, now one of the biggest mistakes people make is they try to send their product, their own affiliate link to the product, and that doesn't work. So that's the actual product itself that we're going to take, X Pure, I think that's how we pronounce it. But we're going to take a closer look at this. This is just a random one that we picked off, and as soon as somebody comes here and adds to the cart, you will actually get paid a commission based on that. Okay, so it's a tracking link which comes back to you, which is tracked to you, so you can tell by the end here that it's coming back to you and you're going to get paid for it. So that's all very exciting. So how does that work, and how can you spy on the competition on YouTube? Well, simply what we're going to do is we're going to go to AdvertSuite itself, and what we're going to do is we're just going to come over here, go down to the end to YouTube, because this is the one that we're using right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the keyword, add new. Okay, so sorry, just sort by, search for the keyword. In this case, it's not this code here, it's just the name of the product. So let's just go back to the marketplace, grab the name of the product, which is here. You can simply copy and paste it over if you want to do that, so the spelling is right. And simply copy and paste it in here, put it in here, press search. Now what this is doing, as we said before, it's going out to all of YouTube and looking at the advertisements that are running now for this particular product. Okay, now what we can do here is we can do a couple of things here. We can see the amount of views that it's got. We can see how many times it's been displayed. It's really going a lot for this particular product here. Some of these here, don't worry about them if they don't display. Like this one here, just means the thumbnail isn't there. You can simply click on there and it'll bring you to YouTube, and you can actually see the video there as well. We can sort it by a couple of things. We can sort it by the likes, so now we get the video with the most likes to see. Okay, or you can do it in a position of the longest running, which will kind of give you an indication is if it's the longest running, it's probably running for a while for a reason, so it's probably been successful in the ad campaign. You can quite clearly see this has been running since January 2022, the 15th of March 2022. Let's just take a closer look at this here. We can do a couple of things here. We can check out the video on YouTube by simply clicking here. We can also see who they're targeting. Do you remember this from before? Simply click here. It's going to tell us all about the likes, the dislikes to this particular product, where she's targeting, the page in which she's sending people to as well, which isn't connected right now, so we've saved ourselves a whole bunch of time and energy in that one. Okay, let's go back to the likes and see, does that make a difference? You just play around with it until you find one. I found one here a little bit earlier, which was let me see, already saved it here. Okay, which was this one here. Okay, and when I opened it here, we got the information of where she was targeting the United States of America, 100% in the United States of America. She's got over 10,000 views on this particular product, and when we click here, yeah, it's bringing us through to the landing page. So now what we've done is we've actually been able to come along here, see where she's targeting. It's not giving us the age profile of this here, but it tells us the country in which she's targeting. Okay, and of course the actual landing page. So we don't have to go out and reinvent the wheel here. We can actually do a video similar. Now, where is the video? Well, if you just go back here, it's the one along here. Which one is it that we had here? Let's just do a fresh one actually, and just see does it make any difference here. You might see another one. I've just lost track of where it is, so just bear with me 1 second. Okay, this is another example one, and this time it's sending it to this particular page. We can see demographics. Ireland they're targeting, and New Zealand they're targeting here, and they're sending them then to this page here, which is a landing page. Is all the text is done, all the information is done, so the layout is done. And where is the actual product saying about it? Okay, this to me looks like it's somebody that has done it, but actually hasn't got anything done with the call to action button. So now you're gonna go here, and now health article, and then through here. This is not a good example of it coming through here, because there's too much to go through to try and find the product. I think they've done this probably a little bit wrong. Here's a good example of one that's done right. So once you come through here to the video, from the video you can see here, you can see the headline, you can see they've got an image with a video, and it's clickable, and it's bringing them through to the product. Okay, which we talked about. And here's another example of a click here to watch the video. It's very clear, very easy. So it's bring them directly from the video to the actual product page itself, and as soon as somebody purchases there from the video, click here to see the video, brings you through to there. There's a call to action at the end of the video here, and somebody's trying to replicate that on the other page. It just hasn't worked for them. And therefore when you purchase that, you're going to get the commission. So what you've discovered here is you've discovered the successful campaign, which ones are working, which ones aren't working, and it's going to give you a head start on that. So the way in which you make profit from this is simply from the fact that you are going to get commission based on it. Now you may have to set up the ad campaign, you may have to do a video. Here's another quick example. 100% Mexico this time around, and where they bring them this time, they're bringing them to a, check out this video here, click here to see the video. Okay, and when they click through there, I'm sure it's going to bring them through again to the product. So there you go, you can see everything that's happening. The landing pages, the videos are clickable here if they don't display here, or clickable to play here, and you can see the video, and then the text comes through here. Here's another example of one here. You can click through on any of these here, and the ones that don't display, they just bring you directly to YouTube. Okay, and that's how you do it. So you can see this one here. This is another example. So they're based on the sound, it sounds like the same person doing these videos. Yeah. So they're running under maybe different headlines, different people, but similar. I can say they're going to the same page, probably targeting different demographic for it. Canada this time, and the page that they have them going to is this one here. So you can see all the copy, you can see everything. This is curiosity headline. I even think I know who's actually doing this one, which is interesting. But and again, you can just click through here. I know the story here. They have all the things done with the privacies and everything done right here. and there you go. It's bringing you through to the products. So once they purchase the product, you will generate a sale, a commission, a sale on that from AdvertSuite. So hopefully you enjoy that one. And if you have any questions, just comment below, and I'll be glad to answer them. If you're interested in purchasing directly from our affiliate link, you can also do that from below. It is an affiliate link. I will be paid a commission based off it, just to be totally transparent up front with you. And if there's any questions that you have, feel free to ask. Okay, we'll be throwing in 1 or 2 bonuses as well for people, and that's coming soon. Okay, bye for now.